guys won't believe who called me last night. You literally won't believe who watched the video of me calling the previous owner. I learned a lot about this car last night. I didn't film the conversation, what happened. I respectfully did not film that. I'm going to explain a little bit of what happened last night. Before I do, we're actually going to be dynoing this car today. I have an appointment in a little bit here. Not an appointment. They told me they're gonna squeeze me in, but we're going to be dynoing the car today. I'm going to prove to you that it is completely stock. It's on the stock tune, still has the stock cats, still has the stock X pipe, no meth, stock size pulley, stock tune. I'm telling you, I'm going to tell you guys how I know this. You might not believe me. This is why I'm going to prove to you guys the power that it's about to make, because it's stock, all right? One of the managers that buys the cars for the dealership, like this, got into contact with me. He saw the video and he wanted to clear everything up. The car had all those modifications on it, just like how the owner said. It had the meth, it had the 2.1 upper, it had the cats off, it had the X pipe, and it was tuned, all right? It was definitely tuned. Now they told me they didn't know it had all those modifications. There was no pictures when they got the car. They just knew that they just saw the miles, they saw the spec of the car, and they wanted it. When they got this car and they popped the hood, they didn't really want it, but they decided on selling it. They returned it completely back to stock. They told me they even put a brand new ECU in it. A completely stock factory ECU, stock tune. It's on the stock size pulley. The reason why it says Grip Tech is because they couldn't get a factory pulley. They actually had to order it from the aftermarket company like Grip Tech, but it is a stock size pulley, a 2.5 upper. That's the stock size pulley. It's on the stock tune. I'm telling you, they put a brand new ECU in it. They were telling me every single thing that happened with this car when they got it. They took everything off. They ran a compression test. They ran all these tests, and they told me that the car was perfect. And I have a really good car, and everything is flawless on it. That wasn't the ending of that conversation. I might have something waiting for me in Houston, and let's just say this thing's gonna be modded a little sooner than expected. Okay? I randomly got a text last night from him, and we talked for a little bit. At first, I thought it was the first owner of the car, but then he told me that it was the guy that bought the car to sell at the dealership. And then he showed me this picture of the car being in maintenance when they were taking everything off. But if you can see, that's the same car. And that was when they were taking the cats off and everything. They were returning it back to stock. Just in case you guys don't believe me, that has a stock tune and, you know, stock everything. It still has cats on it, because some people were commenting, nah, it still has all those modifications and blah, blah, blah. Hell no, I'm gonna prove to you guys that this thing is bone stock. Alright man, about to pull up. It was a quick trip. Damn, my windshield dirty. I can't wait to get home and wash the car, man. Use all the stuff I got. Yes. Guys, we're here at Mo's Performance. Shout out to them for squeezing me into their schedule today, because all the shops that I called today are booked to like next month, dude. Can you believe that? They were like, yeah, we do dyno pools, but we're not open till next month. So, I get to see this car move with me standing out here. God, in the sun, bro. That paint, oof. Just need my side skirt and lip and everything. Good. Damn, this thing looks dope on here, man. This is badass right here, man. I am freaking in love with this car.
What are you planning on doing with the car?
Probably just simple head cam, full bolt on, the 85.
Yeah.
Probably end up doing a Pro Charger.
Okay.
I live in Houston. I have a Shelby back home, and I still got a
Shelby too?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a 14 GT500.
What color is it?
Ruby red.
Ooh,
I don't know. You might have seen my stuff before. I don't know if you have or not.
I think I have. And now you said a Shelby. No, I think I have.
Yeah. Yeah, I was originally from here, and then I just moved down to Houston, Texas, like 2 years ago. Yeah, so.
Nice. It's way better than there.
Oh yeah, the scene is amazing.
I go there every year.
Yeah.
For the TX2.
Oh yes. Oh
I
yes.
spend a whole week, sometimes 2 weeks down in Houston.
Yeah, it's amazing. I love it. It's amazing. Strapped up in the front right here. And it's a dyno jet too, so. Oof. Fans are on. I guess you can see it right through here. Oh, that hits. I'm gonna be in there, I don't care. Get that air to fuel working. Promising. Yeah, that looks way better. It's 540. 540, 597. Sounds about right. Sounds about right. Perfect, perfect. The first run, you said something about the air to fuel or... Hey, what did you say in that first run? What happened in that first run?
Oh, the air fuel was just not working.
Oh, okay, for sure. Well, there you guys go. 550 wheel, 600 torque. This thing is as stock as you can get, except that intake button. It is stock tuned. I'm telling you guys, it's stock. As soon as I get to Houston, we're gonna modify it. But like I said, I'm gonna have some stuff waiting for me in Houston. But damn, man, I love this car, man. Wow. 550 wheel and already keeping up with BMP Gen 3 cars. Jesus. I just wanted to show you guys that it wasn't even making over 600 wheel, and it has cats, it has everything, has a new ECU, stock tune, just the intake. That's probably why it was running a little funky, but we straight. About to take this thing home and wrap up this video, and yeah, god damn, this is good, man. Oh my gosh. Final graph right here, 541 wheel horsepower, 597 torque. Now, they're telling me right here is a little dip. Right here, it should be going a little more straight across. It should not drop. They're saying it's running a little rich up top. I'm thinking it's because of the intake with stock tune. I'm not too sure, but what you thinking? Why you got your mask on, man?
Not bad, bro. It's not bad.
Just kidding. But he says that if this was like all the way like straight and no drop, he said it should make high 500s, almost 600. So maybe not that much, but I do agree. It's running a little rich up top or whatever, and it just a little drop right here from 5K to 6K RPM. So good thing we're trailering this to Houston, and I'm gonna get it tuned in Houston. So just showing you guys that it's not as fast as you guys thought, and I got stuff to work on when I get back home. Need some Sorian sauce, so I'm gonna show y'all this real quick. Right there, what are those? What are those? And it still has a stock X pipe, I promise. But those, I think those are the first cats. Those might be the second, I don't know. But it has cats. It literally only has the active exhaust. That's why there's a little bit of a tone in that dyno pull. But I'm about to end this video right here, y'all. About to have some Culvers, end the day right. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Just wanted to take the car to the dyno, show you guys the power that it's currently making. Now, when I get to Houston, I have to tune the car, but like I said, I got a couple things waiting for me there. So just stay tuned, wait till I get to Houston, and then we can figure out everything with this car tuning wise, because I know there was like a little dip in the dyno sheet. So it's probably because of this puppy right here, but it's alright. It is at least very close to stock. So I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. Thank you so much. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Next video will be taking this car to Texas, back where I live. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Minnesota content. I always come visit my family here. This is where I used to live before I actually moved to Texas. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video. It's time for Texas, baby.